So today is really a great milestone for Absa, and we've launched another innovative proposition, and that's what we're calling Buy Now Lipa Pole Pole. And what really it entails is actually bringing possibilities to our customers, especially right now where there's a lot of pressures on inflation. And it's just to make customers to be able to actually purchase high-end appliances, and that's why we've actually launched it with Hot Point today. Which today, if today you were to come here and actually buy that item, you might find that it's unaffordable for you. But what Buy Now and Pole Pole enables you to do is to be able to buy it and repay it based on your affordability. And they give you various repayment plans between 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months at an affordable interest rate. The experience about using that proposition is that it's embedded on the mobile phone. So you just run the transaction, go to your mobile app, and you're able to convert that transaction into a repayment plan of your choice without necessarily having them to come and call the bank to actually do it for you. And the thing about it is that it's actually one of the first in the market, and we're looking at actually launching, other variations of the Buy Now Lipa Pole Pole within the course of this year, and to target different groups of customers as part of financial inclusivity, and to be able to actually ensure that every shopper or Kenyan out there can be able to afford, that aspirational item that they've been wanting to buy. But today, it seems too expensive for them to actually be able to buy it. So that's the whole essence. And we always say that for us, Absa Kenya is to just see how we make possibilities come to life for our customers, and also being able to tell that story with our customers and our partners. And that is what we've actually been able to achieve today.
Okay, thank you. Probably can highlight other than you said you're planning to do other launches within the year. Um, Other than Hotpoint, what other opportunities or what other partners are you looking to with this deal? And other than purchasing, is there anything else that a customer can use to pay? Probably school fees. You can highlight that because it's not just purchasing product, because there are other things that I'm
Yes,
sure.
then you're right. So the good thing about this product, it's cuts across different spend categories. Today, you could even have an emergency if you've not planned for it, and you have a hospital bill that you need to get out of. You can actually go use our Absa card and then pay over a long period of time, because it actually, it's that one spend that counts that you've not planned for it. You can even plan for your travel, your holidays, for your family prior, and then start paying slowly. So let's say, for example, you want to go, let's say, out of the country to take your family, or even down. We have very nice resorts in Mara, Mombasa. You can actually pay for it now, and then pay for it slowly, and actually have your holiday with your family in December. It cuts across so many spend categories. Today, even I can go to a hardware shop, I can furnish my home, buy that new seat that you've always wanted to buy. I can go and pay school fees for my child, and actually spread it over a period of time. I can even pay for insurance for my car, and actually pay it over a period of 6 to 12 months. So essentially, that's what we're saying, enabling possibilities for our customers across different spend categories.
Also, what is the unique value proposition to compare this with the higher purchase thing?
The thing about this, unlike hire purchase where you have to come and pick an item, and then you actually have to, call a credit financer to actually approve that thing for you. This one is actually with you on your mobile. All you just need to do is come here, pick an item, run the card, and then you just convert it into a repayment plan. And it's as simple as that. That's how we've actually tried to position it on the mobile, and it's because today everyone is actually doing everything on their mobile. It's become a lifestyle. Shopping on mobile, we even now chat on mobile, we socialize on mobile. So we've tried to also align our products based on the lifestyle of our consumers today. It cuts across between whether you're the young millennials, and that's where you see even we've tried to also embrace them as part of this lounge. so that we can also speak to them. They are high spenders. Our data shows us that they actually even spend more. And as you get older, you also become a bit conservative on your shilling. You're trying to get more value on your shilling. So, but then also even that customer who today is trying to struggle and figure out, okay, do I buy, do I buy an appliance? Do I buy, go to a supermarket and buy food for the week? This product actualizes you to actually now get that item that you've actually been wanting to buy, but you can't afford it. Yeah, so that's what it does for you.
Hi, I'm Cecilia, representing Citizen Digital. In terms of the repayment plan, in case of a delayed repayment, is there an interest rate that one is going to have to pay the bank, or what are the penalties that one is going to get if they have not paid for
So,
it?
so first of all, the thing about the installment plan is you pay slightly less interest than when you had a transaction on a normal card purchase. But then, of course, if you don't repay, even on normal card payments, there's always a due date. It's like your power bill today. What happens if you don't pay? It gets disconnected. Any other utility you pay, if you don't pay, because at the end of the day, also, we also need to be able to enable that customer service, that loan. But that doesn't mean that we're not flexible enough in case you're going through a hard time. We open up discussions where a customer can actually come to us and say, I've structured this repayment for 3 months. I am not able to pay it, but I can be able to restructure it for a longer period. So my repayment comes down to an affordable level that I will not be able to actually default. So that's how flexible we are on this proposition.
And in terms of basic need, is rent covered?
If today, in fact, I want that tenant and or landlord, and you need to refer me, who has a PDQ in their office, and they're telling you pay. Rent is a service.
Yeah.
If they're actually a merchant and they take cards, why not? You can actually, but now if you pay rent today, then you need to figure out next month how you
Yeah.
pay it. Yeah, but it's possible. If today you're wherever you're staying and you have a tenant, just refer them to us. We'll be able to actually set you up on that buy now Lipa Pole Pole proposition.
Does it also count in terms of purchasing a phone from a phone store?
Anywhere, I tell you, from
Okay.
phone stores to services, including, that's what I was telling, insurances, school fees, to medical, it cuts across. As long as the person who's providing you that service is actually accepting card payments, we're able to actually extend the service to you.
One last question. Structure between the bank, Absa, and these other partner, or it's manually the person to manually actually input the payment period, and also when it comes to now you guys deducting your money. Is it orchestrated or is it manually input?
No, it's actually fully automated. So today what happens, we issue you with the card as an Absa customer. You'll be able to see that card on your mobile app. So when you go and spend, that transaction will actually show when you log into your mobile app, where you will see your card details, you'll be able to see that transaction. So it's for you to choose and say, and we allow you to do up to 20 transactions to convert it to installment within a certain period of time, as long as the value is above 10,000. So it's up to you to go into that card transaction, you check all your statement, you'll see all your transactions, and then you're able to choose which ones do I want to pay on a repayment plan. And what it does with is on the app, it shows you the transactions which are eligible for the buy now Lipa Pole. Because it's not all transactions which are eligible. And I'll tell you why. It doesn't make sense for me to go buy milk and then I want to pay it on installment. You get what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, but it makes sense for me to go to buy a beautiful TV like this because it's a one-time spend, it's high value, and then I'll be able to actually now be able to enable you to actually pay it in a way you can afford to spread your repayment over a long period of time in structured monthly installments. That's as easy as it
Yeah.
is.
And do I need, like when I'm getting the card, do I need a certain amount of money to put in as well?
No, you don't. So this product is actually being built on a credit card. So already we've given you that limit to spend. Yeah, so the limit is already existing.
So the limit depends on your income.
Your credit score, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Credit score.
is it only for Barclays bank card holders or Visa that can also?
So right now we've launched it on Absa card holders. We are looking at launching it to even customers who don't bank with us somewhere further down the line. So we'll be back here to launch it with you.
And is it
Looking
available for only existing customers or new ones?
Even new customers, as long as you come in, we'll give you the card. Immediately you get the card, the next day you can actually transact. It only takes 24 hours to get a card in Absa.